दोस्तों, here are few questions which are very important for your board exams. One of them are the angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 16 meter from the base of the tower. So let AB be the tower. So B is the base of the tower. From this base of the tower there are 2 points C and D we are having. Point C is 4 meter away from the base and point D is 16 meter away from the base of the tower. According to the question we are going. Okay, from the base of the tower. And these angles of these 2 points from the top of the tower are complementary to each other, and on the same straight line with it are complementary to each other. Means the angle, if this angle is theta, so its complementary is 90 minus theta. Then prove that the height of the tower is 8 meter. हमें इस टावर की हाइट फाइंड करनी है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट दिस हाइट ऑफ द टावर मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ स्मॉल h which is 8 meter. Right friends, so let's see how to find the height of the tower with this. In this, first of all you have to write down all the information according to the question. So let AB be the tower of height h meter. Okay, AB be the tower of height h meter, and there are 2 points C and D such that BC is equals to 4 meter and BD is equals to 16 meter. Right friends, means the distance of this point C from the base of the tower is 4 meter and the distance of the second point D from the base of the tower is 16 meter. Right? After writing these informations, then it is saying that these angles of these 2 points from the top of the tower, they are complementary to each other. So let the angle of elevation from point C, angle of elevation of from point C to the top of tower A to the top of tower A means angle ACB is equals to theta. Therefore measure angle ADB will be equals to 90 minus theta, as they are complementary to each other. Means if this angle is theta, so this will be 90 minus theta. You know that complementary means the sum of two angle is 90 degree. So when you add this theta and 90 minus theta, you will get 90, which prove that these two angles are complementary to each other. Right? So let's see the solution of this question. Let us find out the height of this tower, and it must be equals to 8 meter. Then it is prove that the height of the tower is 8 meter. Okay. So from the figure, in triangle, first we have to take the triangle AC and B. In triangle ACB, in this measure angle B is equals to 90 degree, because this tower stands on the ground perpendicular. So measure angle B is equals to 90 degree. Therefore angle Therefore tan theta is equals to, as you know, tan theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent. So therefore opposite is AB and adjacent is BC. So tan theta is equals to, AB is the height of the tower H and BC is 4. Say this is equation number 1. Right friends, as it is equation number 1, so let's apply the second triangle. In triangle ADB, in this also measure angle B is equals to 90 degree. Therefore angle is tan 90 minus theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent, means AB upon PD. Therefore tan 90 minus theta, you know that the formula, cot theta is equals to AB is H upon BD is 16. So this cot theta is opposite of tan. So if you are writing this in the form of tan theta, so tan theta is equals to 16 upon H. As you know that cot theta is opposite of tan, so tan theta is equals to 16 upon H. Now from the equation 1, substitute the value of tan theta. Say this is equation number 2, right? So substitute tan theta is equals to H upon 4 from equation 1 in equation number 2. Substitute tan theta equals to H by 4 in equation 2. We get, what we will get? So tan theta is equals to H upon 4. So we will get it, H by 4 equals to 16 by H. 16 upon H. So cross multiply, we will get H square is equals to 4 multiplied by 16, which is 64. Therefore H is equals to square root 64, which is 8 meter, the height of the tower. Is proved, height of the tower is 8 meter. So I hope you all got the solution. Once again let me explain. The figure explain you that all the conditions, AB is the height of the tower and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points C and D, they both are complementary to each other, as the point C is 4 meter away from the base of the tower and D is 16 meter away from the base of the tower, right? So therefore from these two triangles we applied the tan theta. After that we got the height of the tower, which is 8 meter long. Understood?